Thikoni ni thutha wa kurekerera gwa kigomano kia ucenjia wa riera gitaru-ini kia Afrika kiria kiraharirio guko mucii munene wa Nairobi ruritanano rithiite na mbere kurutirwa thuthuria guteithiriria Afrika gwikura hatikaini ya mugaruruku ma riera. Hindi ya gwikanirira ngirimiti gatagati ka University ya MKU na University ya International University of Management kuma bururi wa Namibia. Athuthuria gitaru giki ni mahoetwo gutigirira ni mathanja ya ugaruruku wa riera handu ha KWIHOKAGA uthuthuria wa mabururi ma Ruraya.
Climate change is about you people and the future. It's not about us. It's what is it that you will inherit when we are gone.
African leaders, especially your President William Ruto,
Yes,
will take lead in presenting this not as a Kenyan document, but it's just a Nairobi declaration, but representing the will and the opinions and the views and the position of African leaders.
Munini wa president wa bururi wa Namibia Nangolo Mbumba uria urari gikaru-ini giki ni agwetete bata wa Afrika kwimathira kihonia kia mugaruruku ma riera kuna nio mangihota gutaukwo ni gitaru giki wega ukiringithanio na ataramu kuma itaro ingi.
the politicians have broken the borders, and now the technical people like you and us must cross those borders and must work together.
First of all, as Africans, whether we like it or not, we are one. We just happen to be in different towns and different counties, but different countries, but we are one.
Kwitukira ngirimiti iria ikaniriirwo gatagati ka university ici cieri ruthuthuria wa urigitani naguo ni uhuritwo njeki riu aruti wa urigitani kuma thukuru ici cieri makigunika.
Institutions of learning, or especially institutions of higher learning in Africa, must collaborate. We must exchange information, the good practices, knowledge, and we must train our youth to the best of their ability.
They have the facilities on the other side to be able to have their lecturers becoming visiting academics through webinars, and therefore we are looking for that kind of collaboration to share that intellectual aspect.
Munini wa Chancellor University ni ya MKU Gracious Jaganyi agatariria moguni magi mari aruti wa mabururi maya meri magukorwo namo ari nginyagia kuheo mweke wa ucenjania wa aruti gatagati ga thukuru ici cieri.
We can be able to have exchange of staff and exchange of student. And when we talk about exchange of staff and exchange of student in the world of today, we don't want to have, when possible, we'll have the physical movement. But otherwise, we have got the facilities here to be able to teach the medical student from Namibia.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV, reto rako ni Bataru wa Mwagi.